The Unicorn and the Lost Rainbow. Once upon a time, in a magical land called Lumina, there lived a beautiful unicorn named Astra. Astra wasn't just any unicorn, her shimmering horn had the unique power to create rainbows wherever she went. These rainbows were no ordinary ones, they had the ability to spread joy and laughter across the land. The villagers loved Astra, and her rainbows made Lumina the happiest place in the world. One day, something terrible happened. When Astra woke up in her meadow, she felt her horn lose its sparkle, and no matter how hard she tried, she couldn't create a single rainbow. The skies above Lumina turned gray, and the laughter of the villagers faded into silence. It seemed as though happiness had vanished with Astra's rainbows. Determined to save her magical land, Astra decided to embark on a journey to find the lost colors of the rainbow. She trotted through forests, climbed mountains, and crossed rivers. Everywhere she went, she asked the birds, the flowers, and even the wind if they had seen the colors of her rainbow. One evening, exhausted and close to giving up, Astra stumbled upon a hidden cave glowing faintly with a golden light. Inside the cave, Astra found a wise old phoenix named Solara, perched atop a mound of sparkling gems. "What brings you here, young unicorn?" Solara asked, her voice warm and gentle. "My rainbow is gone, and Lumina has lost its joy," Astra replied sadly. "I need to find the colors to bring happiness back." Solara looked at Astra with kind eyes and said, "The rainbow's colors were scattered across the skies because of the sorrow in the hearts of those who live in Lumina. To restore your rainbow, you must gather the happiness of others and weave it into your horn." "But how can I do that?" Astra asked. The phoenix smiled. "You already possess the magic to bring joy, it's in your kind heart and your ability to make others smile. Share your warmth, and the colors will return." Inspired by Solara's words, Astra returned to Lumina. Instead of searching for the rainbow, she began spreading kindness. She helped the villagers rebuild their homes, played with the children, and listened to the worries of those who felt sad. Slowly, laughter returned to the land, and as joy grew, Astra's horn started to glow once more. One morning, as the first rays of sunlight hit Astra's meadow, a magnificent rainbow burst forth from her horn, painting the skies in vibrant colors. The villagers cheered and danced under its arches, and Lumina sparkled like never before. Astra had learned that true magic comes from within: kindness, empathy, and the ability to lift others' spirits. Her rainbows were stronger than ever, and she became the guardian of joy and hope in Lumina. And so, Astra's story became a legend, reminding everyone that even in the darkest times, kindness can bring back the colors of life.